All right, here we got the ROG Strike B550-I gaming ITX motherboard. This is what we're gonna use in one of our builds here too. We're trying to start racking up on this equipment and stuff. So, anyway, it's supposed to be a top dog. I got this because it's got that 2.5 Ethernet connection. The 5070 only had a gigabyte port, but the 5070 also had Wi-Fi 6E. This just got Wi-Fi 6. So that's the difference in between those. I'd rather have the Ethernet port running at that speed than the Wi-Fi. So anyway, here we go. ASUS, baby. Here, and this we got all our little cables and stuff right here. So, saddle drive cables, ties, Wi-Fi antenna, USB-C. That's that USB-C that's on the motherboard, and you got an out here. So wow, that's what's up. Screws. It's your M.2 there. There we go. It's your I/O port cover. Got here. Oh, like RGB second gen. Right there, 3 pin. Another for your motherboard, screws, SATA cable. Feels like another SATA cable. I'm not gonna open it right now. And you got your manual, CD. I don't know why they putting those in there. Still. Then your decal. Oh, that's fresh. Man, that red is dope. Yeah, I'm gonna put some of that on there. All right, anyway, that's what's in the box. This is what she looks like. Bam, baby. That's pretty right there. We already set up the rock and roll. I don't know if I'm gonna go with air cool or I'm gonna put a cooler on there, water cooler. Anyway, you got spaces over here for your M.2. Drop that in. I think it takes 2 of them, yeah. One on the back, one on front here. 2 of those. Then this baby got a little fan up in it to keep it cool. See a little fan up in there? All right. Onboard graphics. HDMI, display port. Hey, this is what we're looking for. You know, USB-C. I also got that push button BIOS, the flash of BIOS. Oh, yeah, and we got something else. I think this one for the audio here, but it still look like a USB-C, but I think that's the audio. All right, Wi-Fi 6, Ethernet. Hey, this is how we roll. Get up. that's gonna go in our bill too. Take a look. Yeah, that's how we doing it.